In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Canon Pixma TS3465 printer with the MacBook. Switch on the printer and go to your MacBook. Open the web browser and type in Canon IJ setup. Select the Canon official manuals welcome website. Click on the setup. Type in your printer model number TS3465. If you don't see 3465, then type in TS34 and it will give you some option. Select any of this printer because they have the same drivers and click on the go button. Click on the start. Connecting to a computer or smartphone. Click on the download. So it will help you to download drivers. Open this file. Double click on the setup disk. Open. On this window we have to do the setup process. So click next. Start setup process. Next. Click yes for terms and conditions. Agree with that. Select the connection type, so we are using the Wi-Fi, so confirm it yes. Click add printer. Select TS3400 series. Wait for add button. Select add. So we just installed it. Now close this web browser and go to the main setup window and click next. Printer is connected. Click next. So setup is complete. You can close this section. Simply open anything you want to print. So once you open a document and click on the print command, you can just enter your printer series and then click on the print button. So printer is working, it is connected. For the scanning it's a little bit different. You have to go to the system preferences of your MacBook. Select printers and scanners. On this window you will see Canon Pixma TS3400 series with the green dot. Select it and click on the scan icon and place a document you want to scan on the top scanner. So it should be facing downwards on the corner with the arrow. Now go to the screen and click on the open scanner. So it will open a small window for the scanning and it will give you a preview for the scan. If you are okay with the scan, just select the area you want to keep and then click on the scan button. So it will just scan the page and it will save. So this way we can do the printing and scanning after doing a setup with the MacBook using this printer. Thanks for watching.